What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. If the surface area of this right triangular prism is the same numerical value as the volume, find x. So of course, when I say the same numerical value, obviously they're going to have different units, right? Surface area is going to be inches squared, volume is going to be inches cubed, but the value numerically will be the same. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So what this is about is trying to calculate surface area, and to get surface area, we're literally taking the area of every face of this triangular prism. So we have this front face in red right here, that's a rectangle. We have the bottom rectangle, and we have the back rectangle, and then we have two triangles, right? We have this one and we have this one. Those are the bases. So let's calculate the surface area first in terms of x. So obviously this front triangle is going to have an area of 12 times 16 divided by 2. That's the same as 6 times 16, which is 96. And then that back triangle is going to be the same as that front triangle, so that's going to be 96 as well. Then we have this front rectangle, right? And that's going to be x times whatever this length is. Okay, how do we calculate that length? Well, this is a right triangle. We can use Pythagorean's theorem, right? We can say a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, and we can solve it that way. But by the way, this is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, okay? So this side is 3 times something, this side is 4 times something, and this side is 5 times something. So if you identify that as a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, you can quickly say, oh yeah, this diagonal has a length of 20, okay? So now we can say this red rectangle is 20x, and then we can say that this rectangle on the bottom is 12 times x, right? And let's put that here. And then we have this rectangle on the back is 16 times x, right? So now we can create an expression for the surface area. 96 plus 96 is 192. And then we got 16 plus 12, which is 28, plus 20 is 48. So we got 48x. Okay, cool. And now this is meant to equal the volume. We're trying to solve for x so that the volume and the surface area are numerically equal. Okay, how do we get volume of a right triangular prism? Well, it's the area of the base, and the base is this triangle. I know a lot of times you guys might think, wait, the base, isn't that the thing that's on the floor? Not necessarily. For a prism, the base is the shape that is repeated, that is extended. So we got a triangle at the front, and then the triangle is extended back by a certain height, and that height is x, okay? So we take the area of the base times the height. What's the area of this base? Again, it's 12 times 16 divided by 2. That is, again, 96, and then times x. And guess what? Now we have an equation. Now we can solve for x. Let's subtract 48x from both sides. So we got 192 is equal to 96 minus 48 is 48x. Last but not least, let's divide by 48. Divide by 48. And guess what? This goes into 192 exactly. It goes in exactly 4 times, right? So my final answer for x is 4, meaning x, the length in units is 4 inches. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.